Hi guys, welcome back to MashTips. Whether you own an old iPhone like iPhone 7 or the latest iPhone, we are going to introduce some pro tips that's going to be useful for all iPhone users. This is going to be a pro tips, probably you never hear about it. I'm pretty sure these tips are going to be very useful in your day-to-day life while you are using your iPhone. You can draw any shapes in Perfect by going the edit button, tap on the pencil here. I may wanna underline this line and line on it and hold on it, then you will get a straight line. I can draw a rectangle in a perfect shape. Just draw a rectangle and hold on it. I can draw an oval shape here. Just draw an arrow mark and hold on it. You can even draw a star. Most of them, when you draw it, it will automatically convert into a perfect shape. There is an option to hide any screen on your iPhone. Say here I have at least 3 screens with full of apps. So if you want to hide any screen out of it, just tap and hold on the home screen and now tap on this menu. Then you see all of my screens here. You can unselect any screens you don't want to display. Tap on here, click done, click OK. Now I have only one screen and I hide all other screens. If you want to get it back, tap and hold again, tap on this button and select the screens you want to display. Tap done. There is an option to get a clean PDF version of any website from iPhone itself. Just tap on the Safari and go to the site you want and tap and hold on this menu. Then you get a clean web page without any ads. And now you have to take a screenshot and tap on this screenshot. Then now you see a full page and here the entire web page is over there. And next thing you have to do, tap on this button and save to file as PDF. So the web page will save as a PDF file into the files folder on your iPhone. This is very helpful feature for AirTag users. You already attached an AirTag with your car key. Make sure to enable the left behind feature for your car key. Open the Find app and get your AirTag and scroll up and notify when left behind. Turn this on and you can add a couple of locations to exclude on this feature. Tap on done. Then if you move out your phone, you will get an alert if you left behind this car key in some other locations. Hope you enjoy all these tips. If you like these tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. If you want to copy paste a test content from a screenshot and you see a tiny icon here, tap and hold on it. Now you can tap and hold on any location to copy a part of the test that you selected here and copy here. You can open any notepad or any other app and paste right over there. So iOS 15 allows to copy any text from an image. Similarly, you can use your iPhone camera to scan the text from an image directly. Tap and hold on the message box. Then see text from camera and point your camera at the text. And when they scan it, simply insert. That's enough. The entire text is copied into this message box here. The latest iPhones have a feature to enable the Find My location even if it's turned off. To make sure it's working, you have to go to Find My app and tap on Find My iPhone and make sure you enabled all these 3 settings. So the benefit is that the iPhone can be detected even if it's powered off. There are some times you may need to disable your Face ID that's work automatically. Now anybody can point this phone to my face and unlock my phone. Just as example, if you want to temporarily disable this Face ID, you can do that. Press and hold the power button and any volume button to lock your phone immediately. Now the Face ID is temporarily disabled and you have to enter the passcode to unlock your phone. And alternatively, you can temporarily disable Face ID on iPhone by simply asking Siri, "Hey Siri, whose phone is this?"
I believe this iPhone belongs to Mash.
Now the Face ID is temporarily disabled by Siri and you have to enter the passcode to unlock the phone. With iOS 15, the spotlight is so powerful. Even you can use the spotlight feature from a locked screen. Just swipe down to get the spotlight feature. you can search most of the things from the spotlight window without unlocking your phone. So this is very useful if you want to check something immediately, say Walmart, then it will show you the nearest location of the Walmart and the apps that I have on my iPhone and other details. So anything you want to check online, you don't need to unlock your phone. You can immediately get this spotlight feature right from here and search anything over there. You can even get a stock price or the location, most of the features right from the spotlight. There is an option to recognize the sound on your iPhone, and based on that sound you can do some automations in the background. Let me go for automation shortcuts. There is a sound recognition shortcuts I made as a sample, and here for the sound recognition you can have a couple of sounds you can choose. So for example, if dog barking, you can turn on your light. For a baby crying, you can set to call automatically somebody. Once you enable these shortcuts in the control center, you can enable this voice recognition here. Once you turn on this voice recognition, the automation will kick in once it detects any sound that you selected over there. There are few tips for the calculator on iPhone. If you want to delete one digit or remove the last digit you type, you can just swipe right. You can get a scientific calculator if you rotate in a horizontal position. And even though you did some calculation and close the calculator, you can get the result back. Just go to Control Center and tap and hold on this calculator. Then you get the last result that you got from the calculator. And if you want to open the calculator, you can open the calculator right from there. This is a pretty useful feature where you want to move your cursor to a specific location. Just to tap and hold on the keypad, and you see all keys are blank now. Now you can use your keypad as a mouse and move around the cursor wherever you want. So now you can use it as a regular keypad, and you can move the cursor again if you tap and hold on the keyboard. So it's pretty useful feature. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned at least a couple of tips that you never knew before. And if you are interested to see more tips for iOS 15, you can check the related video here. And for those who are using Apple Watch, there are some additional tips for Apple Watch users here. And meanwhile, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please click the button here and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you, and we'll see you on another video.